And after you leave a like, remember to smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. And remember to hit the notification bell so every time I post a video, you can know right away. Subscribe, 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 subscribe.
What's up, my YouTube friends, viewer subscribers, everybody? Welcome back to another banger, interesting video. Right now, Dairy Queen be going crazy. So what I will be trying right now is Dairy Queen's new confetti cake blizzard. And it's crazy because I never tried it before. I think it's so weird just how like whenever places come out with things and they have similar name to things I've done from other places, how I remember it. I remember, was it McDonald's came out with a confetti McFlurry? I think it was them. And now Dairy Queen have a confetti. Bro, look at this. I almost was. I almost thought it was about to melt. So look at it, bust it. So we will be trying it and we will be ranking it just to see just how this baby really is. Blizzard. I don't know. Can't go wrong with it. It's so weird just how every like places that have dessert like ice cream, frosty, shake, all these things, it's like different texture of like sweets. Confetti blizzard. So we're gonna try it and see just how it is. And it's I think it's not new because on the thing it said it's back. So I'm guessing they had it like probably 10 years ago, 7 years ago. But I never tried it. So I was like, okay, let me try it because I never tried it. Okay, here we go. Hmm. Ooh. Almost want to taste like hmm, hmm. Okay. It almost want to taste like I remember like in high school I did foods and it's almost want to taste like when we were baking cake, like when you put like the cake mix and the oil and the water and the sugar and all this that thing and you whisk it together before you put it in the pan and bake it, that little liquid piece, that's what it tastes like. Mm-hmm. But cold. Mm. It's actually not bad. Mm. It's so funny how Dairy Queen rotate blizzards. I think 3 weeks ago or 4 weeks ago they had a mint, what was it, mint Oreo, and I think over a year ago they had the mint brownie. Mm. They have a something like, what's it, like cake or something inside of it. That's like food. That's sweet though. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Bro, they have small things in there like piece of cake. Mm. It's like cake. Bro, it still amazes me just how the blizzard itself tastes like that little thing. And that's how I know because when I used to bake cake, As soon as I put it the cake mixture, when it's all whisk it up. Sorry, as soon as I put it in the thing to bake it, I normally, you know, that's how I know what it tastes like, bro. I think trying things was, I think I was supposed to be doing this because when I was younger, I used to bake cake and I always try all these things. And once I figure out how to make icing, I start baking cake and making icing to put on there. Then once I discover you can flavor the icing, I start getting different flavor icing, making icing, different flavors, put it on the cake, bro. I was supposed to be doing this. mm. Well, this is sweet though. Mm. That's sweet. Mm. Mm. I would give that a 9 out of 10, bro. That was deliciously sweet, or I should say this. I don't know why. Well, I don't know why it sounded like I tried the whole thing already. Like it's deliciously sweet. Now I'm getting cold. It's deliciously sweet. Like I was like when I took the first couple of bites, I almost was about to say like, yeah, it's not so sweet. You can actually enjoy, but it is sweet. And in it, I think like it's almost like they have what's it like it's not brownie, but like I would say cake or biscuit or bread or something. The texture is like bread or cake that they sort of have in there. You guys must be like, oh, you said it's sweet, and look at you. Definitely it's sweet. I'm gonna save some of that for later to crush it and go to bed. And have a very interesting dream. Sweets give me interesting dreams. So this is limited edition. So it is gonna go away. Bro, definitely sweet, deliciously sweet, I should say. Don't think, oh, it's sweet, I can't enjoy it. No, you can actually enjoy it. Definitely worth a try in my book. I think most of the things that I've tried, well, not saying most, but majority of the things I've tried is definitely delicious and delivering. I've tried something that's like trash, garbage. Like Dairy Queen, I remember one time they came out with what was it? Some shake, and I tried it, I was like, oh, garbage. Girls Junior chicken sandwich, garbage. But fortunately, majority of the things I've tried is actually very good. Some average, some very good. It's like very rare it's bad. I think most average, some amazing, and like a few, like handful, like very bad. But this is definitely enjoyable sweet if you ask me. So, oh, it's limited edition, so it is going to go away. I think every month they can come out with a new blizzard. So make sure you try it before it's gone. So there you guys have it. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. I will be back trying to do more things. You go enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I post daily on them.